it's Nam Drummer here, and I'm going to be just freestyling on Friday, so I might do some more videos like this where it's on Friday and it'll come out, so it's called Freestyle Friday. And also remember, if you also are practicing and you feel like and you really need like some practice, then keep practicing. And always remember, do not do that, because that is not good. It breaks your stick, but it keeps you confident that you can play and break your sticks, and that you will need to buy a new one soon. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and here I go. Hey guys, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to please like and subscribe for more awesome content, and make sure to comment in the comments below what songs I should play next.